Hey guys, what is up and welcome back. Today's video is really exciting. Oh my goodness. Today's video I'm going to be cleaning and I'm also going to be starting to decorate for the holidays. I decorate in this video for Thanksgiving and for Christmas. I know a lot of people are going to be upset by this video. A lot of people get very angry when people start decorating for Christmas, but I assure you that we're not forgetting about Thanksgiving. We can still celebrate and we still look forward to Thanksgiving even though we have Christmas decorations up. So don't worry. I do have some Thanksgiving decorations that I leave up until Thanksgiving, but I do like to start incorporating my Christmas decorations pretty early, like now. So that's what I'm doing in today's video. I'm going to focus on my kitchen for the first half of the video, and then the second half of the video, we are putting up my Christmas tree. You'll see Chris and Evelyn kind of bopping around in this video. They help me with the tree, and then I'm just going to do a quick sweep of my living room at the end of this video. So I'm going to let some music play, and I'll be back in a little bit.
Stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies. We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in my head. I wish I could let you go, I wish I could just forget. I can never shake you off. You're stickier than my super glue. I can never shake you off. I'm always trying to get rid of you. I'm never shaking you off. Baby, take my hand, follow me. Let's leave this world behind, set us free. And I will give you everything that you need. So take a chance, let your heart chase that beat. And baby, you're all that I want. I need you like a voice needs a song. So let your eyes take you where you belong. Just say the word and we can be gone. So take my hand, I'll guide you to a land where the stars always shine. And under the moonlight we'll dance, and we'll dance. We can be anyone that we wanna be. A place where the sky meets the sea. When no one else is around here to watch. So take a chance, give your heart what it needs. Baby, I can see it in your heart. I know that you can feel it in the dark. It's what you see when you close your eyes. So baby, let me take you to the stars. Take my hand, I'll guide you to a land where the stars always shine. And under the moonlight we'll dance, and we'll dance. And under the moonlight we'll dance, and we'll dance. And under the moonlight we'll dance, and we'll dance.
So here comes the most important and most exciting part. This was our Christmas tree. It's a not a brand new tree. I think we got it last year. It's fairly new. I definitely want to say that we got it last year. I'm pretty sure we got it last year, maybe the year before. But yeah, this is our new tree. I absolutely love it. I just, oh my God, the Christmas tree is just like so special to me. Oh my God. But my least favorite part of putting up this Christmas tree is you have to fluff the tree and you have to like spread out all the branches and like make it look pretty. And this is by far like, I hate this part so much. And it actually took like just putting our tree up and together took way longer than I wanted it to. Which is like I didn't get as much cleaning done in this video as I wanted to, just because like the tree took way longer than I thought it would. So I'm going to finish doing this and then we're all going to decorate the tree together. And again, I just want to like put it out there. Like I know people are going to be upset. I already have people kind of like making fun of me for putting up my tree so early. But honestly, guys, like my attitude is like if there's one thing that I've learned throughout the years is that time goes by so fast, and why not just enjoy the holiday season like for as long as you can. There are no rules, and if putting up your Christmas tree like the day after Halloween like makes you feel good and makes you happy and makes you want to like enjoy, like it makes the holidays like more enjoyable for you, like just do that. And I'm also a firm believer that like nobody is forgetting about Thanksgiving. I hear that all the time. Like, oh, well, I can't believe you're putting up your Christmas tree. Like, well, what about Thanksgiving? It's like, well, we're still celebrating Thanksgiving. Like, we're still having fun and being thankful and all that. Like, but we just have our Christmas decorations up. Like, it's not a big deal to me. I just don't understand why people get so upset about Christmas decorations. So I'm also doing it because obviously like, I'm a YouTuber and I want to be a good sense of like inspiration and motivation for you guys. And if any of you guys are kind of lacking motivation or you're not excited about the holidays, like I've definitely had years where I'm just not interested at all in the holidays. And, like I'm here to help. And if you need inspiration or motivation, like I'm here, So I want to show you how I decorate my house. Maybe you guys get some ideas or this and that. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm going to finish my tree and then I'm going to do a quick sweep of the living room. Like I said, it definitely took longer than I thought it did or I thought it would. So I didn't get as much done as I wanted, but this is just the beginning. Make sure you stay tuned. There's going to be a lot of fun holiday content coming. So I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no. You used to feel like it was just us. Guess I thought I was in love. 'Cause if I wasn't, who was I? And why'd you stay those mornings? I hope you felt something too. And how we used to waste our days just listening to songs I made. Yeah, they're all about you. Yes, that's what I get for trying. I'm half in love and half on fire.